Hi everyone, today I have a healthy zucchini and sweet potato fritters recipe which can be an entertaining or snack food for your child and the whole family to enjoy. Wash and grate your zucchini and sweet potato. Mix the zucchini with tablespoons of salt and place the zucchini in a fine mesh sieve. Set aside to drain while you prep the rest of your ingredients. Squeeze out as much of the liquid from the grated zucchini as possible. Discard the liquid. Add the zucchini to the rest of the fritter batter and mix to combine. Heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat until shimmering. Spoon the batter into the skillet using the back of the spoon to flatten them out. Creating fritters. Cook for about 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.